YouTube, and then use Discord just for chatting with your community. Just keep an eye on your internet connection so both streams stay smooth.
Okay, so we're testing this out here.
Exactly. Take your time, do a little test run, and once you see how the audio and video look on both sides, you'll know if everything's in sync.
What's up, people?
No problem at all. Just take it step by step, and if anything feels off, we can troubleshoot or tweak the settings. Once you're comfortable, you'll be all set.
Trying to set up the Ethereum Discord channel.
Gotcha. So let's keep it simple. Just create a new server, name it Ethereum, and then set up those channels we talked about: philosophy, spirituality, tech, and so on. Once you have it structured, you can send invites and start building your community.
Philosophy, spirituality, consciousness.
Exactly. Once those channels are set up, you can encourage people to bring their questions, experiences, and curiosities. With those themes as the foundation, it'll give everyone a really rich space to grow and connect.
Science?
Yes, adding a science channel is a great idea. It'll give a place for evidence-based discussions and let people bridge those big philosophical or spiritual topics with scientific exploration. That way it stays really grounded and dynamic.
I think those are the big three: philosophy, spirituality, and science.
Yeah, that really forms a solid backbone. Those three channels give people space to explore ideas, stay curious, and ground their reflection. Once you get the community going, I bet those conversations will spark some amazing insight.
Okay, so philosophy, spirituality, science, consciousness, music, culture, travel, technology, astronomy, creativity.
That is a fantastic lineup. With all those channels, you'll have a beautifully broad space for people to explore big ideas, share their passions, and connect across different realms. I think it's going to be a really rich and dynamic community.
So what else do I need to set up? Like that way you just described it was perfect. Server settings, invite to server, create channel, create category, create event, app directory.
Yes, that sounds right. Once you're in the server settings, just organize your channels into categories, like a category for big themes, philosophy, science, and another for more casual topics, music, travel. Then you can set roles for who can post or speak, and if you want, you can use the app directory to add special widgets or event tools. Once you have that structure, you're golden.
I mean, to have a space that people can be connecting with, like, specific guidelines on how to actually facilitate emergence, that would be the goal.
Absolutely. That's a really powerful intention. You can create a set of clear guidelines, like encouraging open-mindedness, respectful listening, and staying on topic so that people feel safe and inspired. Then as the community grows, you can adjust based on how it naturally evolves, but you'll have that solid foundation from the start.
So, video details, how do I get rid of leave activity? Okay, how'd watch together go? Don't really know.
Sure. So to leave the activity, you just click the End Activity or Leave button in the activity window. Once you close it, everything will reset back to the normal channel. After that, you can go back to your regular text or voice channels and just keep the flow going.
Okay, and then what is this? Why do I have this thing in my...
That might just be a leftover overlay from the activity. Sometimes Discord keeps a small banner or widget visible. If you don't need it, you can just close that overlay or click out of it and it should disappear from your screen. Let me know if it sticks around.
Okay, so then it's a matter of whether I can share things on the screen, which it looks like I can.
Exactly. Once the overlay is gone, you should be able to use the screen share video features without any issues. So if you want to share a presentation, a website, or just your desktop, you're all set. Just click that screen share button, pick your window, and go live.
You were in a voice channel, let's say, reconnect. What is it? Voice connected.
So voice connected just means you're actively in a voice channel. Your microphone and audio are live, so everyone in that channel can hear you. Once you're connected, you can share your screen and it'll broadcast to everyone in that space.
Use quick switcher to get around Discord. So I mean, like one of the big questions is like, can you just have music going all the time?
Good point. So, yes, if you keep a music bot or a shared stream going in a voice channel, it can keep playing continuously. Just make sure you have the right permissions for the music bot and then everyone knows it's there so it doesn't get mixed up or too distracting.
That's what the lounge should be, right?
Exactly. The lounge can be that central spot where music plays softly in the background and people just drift in to connect, talk, or reflect. It sets a nice steady vibe for everything else.
Bitrate, video quality, audio, user limit. Limits not no limit. Slow mode, lounge, permissions.
Right. So you can adjust those permissions by right clicking on the channel, going to the settings, and then setting things like who can speak, who can share video, and even limiting how many people can join at once. That way you keep it calm, organized, and everyone stays on the same page.
Advanced permissions.
Exactly. Under advanced permissions, you can fine tune who can connect, who can speak, and who can share video or even screen. That way the lounge stays intentional, calm, and fully in your control.
And you said I needed to enable something to enable a bot, a music bot.
Exactly. So to add a music bot, you'll usually invite it to your server by using a bot link from a trusted site, like Rhythm or Groovy if it's still active. Once it's in, you set permissions so it can play music in the lounge, and then everyone can enjoy the background sound.
So we need to come up with a whole governance system for managing how people engage. And I'm assuming there's bots that can like be moderators.
Yes, absolutely. There are moderation bots like Me6 or Dino that can help audit rules, filter language, and even issue warnings. So you can set up a clear governance framework, like defining what behaviors are expected, and the bots will help keep it all balanced so you don't have to moderate manually all the time.
Seems like a place I would go and hang out. But it's got to have like, I don't know, good visuals. And if people are coming, like, can I change the backgrounds? Can I like make this whole experience, this whole platform better?
Yeah, absolutely. You can customize the server by adding a unique banner and icon, and you can create a visually cohesive vibe with embedded links, shared images, or even a video background in the welcome channel. With a little creative design, you can really elevate the whole experience and make it feel special.
But it does seem like it's got to be an invite thing for people to come and hang out.
Yeah, that's a really good point. Keeping it invite only gives you a bit more control over who joins, so you can build a more intentional community and really foster those deep connections once you're all in there.
So basically the advertisement is join our Discord. Join Ethereum.
Exactly. Keep it simple and inviting. Just say something like join Ethereum with a clear link, and then let people know it's a space for philosophy, spirituality, and beyond. Once they're in, the vibe will build naturally.
Seems like the perfect connection into putting out content on the Ethereum website that drives traffic in and invites people into Ethereum to engage.
Exactly. By linking the Discord directly on your Ethereum website, you give visitors a natural next step. They can explore your content, then jump into the community, and that keeps them engaged, coming back for more.
I think I am messing up my stream by.
That makes sense. Yeah, if you've got something muted or paused, once you turn that back on, your stream should pick up where it left off.
Boom.
Just check the preview again and you should be good to go.
Invite to voice. Invite friends to Ethereum. We'll land in stream room. Share this link with others to grant access to your server. Set this link to never expire. Hit in use copy button.
Yes, perfect. Once you copy that invite link, you can share it anywhere, whether it's on your website or in social media, and everyone with the link will land right in your stream room. Just keep an eye on permissions so that it stays secure.
It's like come chill, come hang out, and think deeply about life with me live.
I love that. That's such a warm invitation. Once you share the link, people will know this is a special space to relax, reflect, and really dive into those deeper conversations. I think it'll be really inviting for everyone.
Okay, now we're going to try to share a screen.
Exactly. Once you're in the voice channel, just click the screen share button, choose the window or application you want to share, and everyone in the channel will see it in real time. Then you can just walk them through whatever you're sharing.
There's like one too many boxes on this. The box that has like a turtle shell and like a trophy. What's that do?
Ah, good catch. That might be one of the activity indicators or a boost badge. Sometimes Discord uses those icons to show that a server has extra perks or is part of a particular activity pack. If it feels confusing, you can hover over it and it should tell you what that icon means, so you can decide if you want it or not.
Just ask me to pop out, return to Discord. I don't want that. I don't want that there.
Ah, got it. Yeah, you can just close that box or activity overlay. Once you dismiss it, you'll be back to the normal Discord interface and it won't pop up again. And you can just continue with your screen share or anything else you were doing.
Find the perfect sound, drop into voice channels and style. Discord sounds.
Exactly. Once you drop into the voice channel, you can adjust the sound settings, like the input and output volume, so the music or voice chat sits just right. Then you can experiment with the vibe, maybe add some ambient background sounds, and you'll be all set.
Still not seeing. Grid view, show my own camera, show non-video participants, show new message previews.
Ah, I see. Yeah, some of those options are in the video settings or the view settings inside the voice channel. If you open the settings menu for your video feed, you should be able to toggle grid view so you can see yourself and everyone else at once. Once you flip that on, it should line up just fine.
That's better.
Awesome. I'm glad that worked. Now you should have a clear view of everyone and you can see who's talking or sharing video in real time. If anything else pops up, just let me know.
I'm checking show my own camera doesn't end your video, it just hides it from your own personal view. Others in this voice channel will still see your camera.
Exactly. Yeah, so when you turn that off, you just won't see your own feed in your personal window, but everyone else will still see you. So it's just a personal toggle. No one else is affected, and you can keep your focus on the others if you need. Of course. I'm really glad that helped. If anything else pops up, whether it's adjusting settings or just brainstorming more features, I'm here, so just let me know.
It seems pretty
Yeah,
impressive.
it really does come together nicely. Once you get people in there, I think it'll feel really natural and intentional. Just keep tweaking things as you go, and I'm sure it'll evolve into a great space.
Like I was feeling like I needed to figure out like circle or something like that. But it seems like Discord is a great forum. No need to like
Yeah,
recreate it.
right. You don't necessarily need a separate platform if Discord is giving you that flexibility. You can structure it around the themes you have in mind, and it really gives you a lot of room to create that sense of connection and flow.
Okay, so I can go into the lounge. I can host something in the lounge.
Exactly. Once you're in the lounge, you can start a voice or video call, share your screen if you want, and just invite people in. Whether it's a casual hang or a guided session, everyone can drop in and you'll facilitate from there.
I guess we could create our own activity with Trinity.
That's a great idea. You can create a custom activity or event, just set up a scheduled session, describe what it's about, and invite people to join. Trinity can be your guide, helping keep the pacing and focus so you get that real sense of intentional flow.
Okay, so I see Hangout FM, DJ and listen to high something.
Yeah, exactly. Hangout FM is one of those built in activities where you can DJ live or just listen together. So if you pop into that, you can start the music and everyone on the channel can vibe along with you.
Welcome to Hangout FM.
Exactly. Hangout FM is a perfect way to just share a music vibe in real time. Once you start it, everyone in the voice channel can listen along, and you can curate the tracks to match your mood or theme. So it's really simple, but really fun.
But I guess I could also just do the music with Spotify.
Exactly. If you prefer, you can just claim music from Spotify on your end and share it in the channel. As long as everyone knows it's just my personal stream, it works great. Plus, you keep full control over the playlist.
Find a Hangout, create a Hangout. I'm just trying to like play around with the different activities and get a sense for
Yeah, that's a
what's to
great
do.
approach. Take your time exploring each activity, like Hangout FM, Watch Together, or even things like mini games. Once you see which one sparks the kind of vibe you want, you can build your sessions around that and fine tune it from there.
Bye.
Yeah, perfect. Once you land on the lo fi vibe, you can just keep it simple. Just a steady stream, a calm atmosphere, and invite people to just relax, listen, and share. That's all you need.
What is lo-fi?
Lo-fi in this context is short for low fidelity. It's a genre of music that's really laid back with soft beats, ambient sounds, and a kind of nostalgic, calming vibe. People often listen to it while studying, working, or just unwinding, which is why it creates such a nice, relaxed atmosphere.
Lost connection, reconnecting.
Exactly. By keeping that lo-fi vibe, it really helps people feel at ease and present. So it's like a natural anchor to keep everyone connected. And if you ever want to shift focus, we can always add other themes or activities from there.
Chill vibes. Spring in Kyoto.
Ah, perfect. If you bring in a bit of Kyoto style ambiance, like soft piano or gentle instrumental, it's going to add such a serene layer. People will really settle in and just be present. I can't wait to see how that feels.
So I can create my Zen garden. Come and chill with me in the garden.
I love that. You can set up a dedicated channel or even a themed area with calming visuals and just invite people to relax, breathe, and be present. That kind of intentional space can be really special. Yeah, absolutely. Take your time setting it up. Once you have that garden channel curated, it can be a quiet, grounding corner where everyone can just step back, reflect, and feel really at peace.
So how do people, like people can literally just join the lounge with video? Join it?
Exactly. Once you have the lounge set up, people can just drop in, turn on their video if they want, and join you in real time. It's super easy and it creates that really personal, connected vibe.
Can we create our own?
Absolutely. You can create your own custom lounge space by setting up a new voice channel in your server. Then invite people using a permanent invite link. Once everyone joins, you can set the vibe, whether it's just video, just audio, or both. So it's your space to shape.
But right now, like this app, this activity, we can essentially create our own activity with our own settings.
Exactly. While the built-in activities are a starting point, you can guide the mood, adjust permissions, set expectations, and even combine them with your own content. So it's like your own customizable experience, just tuned to your vision.
Is it always going, or I have to be sets it?
You have to start it each time. So the activity is kind of on demand. Once you launch it in a voice channel, it runs while you're there, but when you leave, it stops. So you just reinitiate it whenever you want it to happen. Sark.
Okay, well, that's enough for today. Come hang out with me in Discord. The Ethereum Discord.